I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to brush the sheets. And then we'll scoop our fillings, put the tops on, press them, cut them, seal them, and then we're done. That easy, that quick. That's it. It's a lot of work to do these, but in the end, it's usually, hopefully it was all worth it at the end, but usually it is. And then you're like, I get it now. That's why I put myself through this. Like I said, this is going to help seal them shut. But that's the last thing you want after doing all that work, and then they just bust open and blow up everywhere. Yeah, no good. Well, what you're looking for. Scoop. Take some shots. Scoop might be a little big, so that can be a little less. Some meaty raviolis, that's for sure. You gotta space them apart pretty evenly, kind of where you're gonna want to cut them and stuff. These aren't gonna be the prettiest, but they're gonna be delicious. You know that. And there's some attachments that you can get for that KitchenAid. But I think they just make them too small. With this, you can make them whatever size you want. You can make a giant one if you really wanted to. You can roll them up into cannellonis. Big difference. A little filling does go a long way. Should not have egged this one. Cameras give me the extra pressure. So, then I press, slide that on, and try to make sure everything gets covered. Help it make it long. Right, okay. And there we go. Gold hidden. Lovely. Sure. Yeah, that's that. Go right. What do you want? You got that? You got anything? Sorry. Shut up. Do it again. Cool. That's those. Nice, full. This should be yummy. More of this. There. Oh.